Hey my creators, stay tuned at the end of my video so you can go ahead and see my meal preps that I do for my clients weekly. Thanks for tuning in. My creators, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we're going to be making some pizza cups. So to start, you're going to need some pizza cheese blend, your favorite sauce. Mine's is Prego. I have here some pepperoni, or you can use beef, sausage, whatever. I have some onions here, and I have some diced green peppers, as well as, and then I have some complete seasoning along with some avocado oil. This is gonna be very easy and fun. Okay, my creators, let's get it. So how are you guys doing? I am great. I have here just a 24 cup pan here, a cupcake pan, and I'm going to use the back side of it. So you want to make sure you wash it first, of course. Then I'm going to spray it with some Baker's Joy, the most trusted spray, I feel like. Okay, so make sure you get all around the edges. Okay, alrighty. I have my biscuits here that I'm going to open. That's Daniel Jr. in the back singing his shark song. Okay, so basically what you want to do here is just flatten, not break it, but just flatten the dough out. Let's start with another one. You want to flatten your dough out just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put it where you guys can see it. Okay, and you're going to put it so it fits just like that. Okay, over the back of your dough cup. Okay, Daddy's home. Okay, so do it so it fits right on the upside of that. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this, and before I do anything else, I will be sure to bring you guys back. Lay it out, and I'm going to put in a little bit of my avocado oil. Okay, and with that, I'm going to put in some of my complete seasoning mix. Okay, and this has all the seasonings in it, like as far as in like Italian seasonings. So it has everything you would need on there. Okay, and you're just going to want to brush it all over. Okay, these little pizza cups are so fun, so flavorful, and just amazing, you guys. You will not be disappointed with these at all. I promise you. I'm actually making these for my meal preps. You watch my channel, you know I do meal preps for people once a week. I send out a menu and I cook for them, and then I deliver only one day a week, just to keep myself grounded. Okay, since I have a million other things to do. Okay, so I hope you guys are working on things pertaining to your dreams. I really do hope so. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tish, and I get it in the kitchen, baby. That's me. All right, so almost done here. I had to make a few different batches of my avocado and complete seasoning mix. Okay, and this gives the dough flavor. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it all in the oven on 375, and I'm going to par bake them, meaning I'm just going to give it just a little browning, because I'm going to put it back in the oven once I put all of my toppings in it. And I'm doing that so it won't be soggy. Okay, you guys will know exactly what I mean when you make them at home yourself. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven at 375 for about 5 minutes, and I'll meet you right back here. So let's go ahead and get started on the sauce. Now, it's nothing really much to it with the sauce. I'm just going to literally sweeten it up just a little bit. Okay, and to do that, I'm going to put in about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, okay? Now, for you people that don't think that you need to thin out the acidic, hold on, wait, I'm trying to say it. I'm not even going to try to say it, forget it. Anyway, tomato sauce is very acidic to me. So the sugar, it really balances out the acidity to me. Okay? If I'm not saying that right, do not laugh at me. Okay? So that's that. And we got about 2 more minutes for the dough to come out. Go ahead and stuff these. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to put in my sauce at the bottom. These are going to be so yummy, y'all. So yummy. Okay. So there's my sauce in all of them. Okay. And if you're anything like me, I like sauce. So I'm doing a tablespoon of sauce. But you know what I always say, to each his own. To each his own. I'm tired a little bit today, y'all. I need some coffee. I need some coffee. I'm going to have my onions there. Then I have my green peppers here. Okay. And then I have my pepperoni. Okay. And I got these little pepperonis from Daniel's making his debut. I got these little pepperonis from the Dollar Tree, you guys. The Dollar Tree. I'm telling you, the Dollar Tree is my friend. I don't care what nobody say. I don't care if and when I become a millionaire, I'm still gonna go to my Dollar Tree. Okay? I love my Dollar Tree. It has a lot of different stuff in there that is just amazing for $1. Okay? And I think what I'm gonna do is actually take a bowl out and mix my cheeses, because at this moment I do not have enough of the pizza bun to which I know was going to happen. That's why I'm glad I have some mozzarella on hand. Okay. So, got some cheeses in here. Okay, so give yourself enough cheese. Whatever works for you. Okay, and then I'm going to put my onions. Okay, onions. Keep your oven on, you guys. Keep your oven on for sure. That was a big old onion chunk. I got these pre-cut onions from Food Lion because I was like, whatever helps me, you know, go faster. That's life, huh? Life just feels like it's not enough time to do anything. So I'm putting in my green peppers. Okay. And if you want to, you can mix it just so things go faster. I just thought of that, but to each his own. Okay. Alrighty, that looks beautiful. Then I'm gonna put my little mini pepperonis. Then I'm gonna put 2 pepperonis per pocket. Okay, I think that's enough. 2 pepperonis per pocket. These are so fun, you guys. I mean, absolutely so fun. I need to break into some more pepperonis here. Okay. So, go. See? Go. There we go. Go. Almost done here. Put my pepperonis down. They look so beautiful and delicious. You wash my hands. Okay. Then I'm gonna go back and put just a little bit of cheese on there. Okay. You guys, I don't know how I came up with this. I just thought of it. Honestly, I don't know. My thoughts come to me at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Does that happen to anybody else? Like where they get their thought process of it's just a certain time where it comes through. Okay, and now I'm going to add some parsley onto my pizza cups. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm going to put these back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so. Just keep your eye on it. It may not need 5 minutes. Everyone's oven is different. So keep your eye on it. When your cheese is melted, that's when you know they're ready. Okay, we'll come back and then we'll see. Here is the finished product. They look so tasty. Let's see the bottom. Yes, yes. My name is Tish and I get it in the kitchen, baby. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you're new, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, my creators, be blessed.